Do you think, Maggie, do you think the Easter Bunny came?
My tree.
Take your passy out.
Give my tree. Where's my basket? Where's my basket?
Whoa, what do you think?
Look it. Look it, Mommy.
What is it?
Candy. Look it, Mommy. Jelly beans.
That's a bubble whistle.
Bubble color is this? Is this, Mommy?
What does it look like?
It's this.
Jelly beans. Do you love it? Can you say Happy Easter? I think I got a bunny.
Cookies, bunnies.
Can you say Happy Easter, Maggie?
Happy Easter.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.